the city. There are people everywhere. The snow is falling white and pretty as I stroll on my way to you.
Okay, so day 2, we're still at the house. We're about to head to Santa Claus Village. I'm just going to try and get a taxi, or a bolt I should say. The kids are just playing out on the back of the house. Let me flip the camera and I'll show you.
Make sure you stand. Go on. Stand on there.
Hold on, mate.
You going, Darth?
Daddy, stand on there. Dad, we're going now.
They fly, watch us.
Yes, buddy. You did it. You did that.
Get a reindeer kebab, right?
Oh no, I can't. No. Okay, we're off to send a postcard to ourselves, and then we have to get our Arctic Circle certificate. Oh yeah. So across the Arctic Circle. Actually, it's so much quieter today in here. Oh, is it? Okay, so in the post office, and we've just got our card and our stamp. Hold up, babe. We're going to post it back to ourselves now. We're just going to pay now. Right, Darce, you're in charge of putting our stampy on.
Ready, you got to put over the barcode.
Oh, wait.
How you feel about packing up today? Leave this all behind. Go get snowed in somewhere. You and me. I would rather be somewhere with you, without TV or phone. Is it wrong for me to want you for my own? This Christmas, let the others miss us. Let's go get snowed in. Let's go get snowed.
Can you tell everyone where we are?
That North Pole again.
Yeah, but where are we now? In Mrs. Claus's cottage. This is Mrs. Claus's house. It's so cute in here.
Can I have a marshmallow, please?
Yeah, I'll get it.
Yeah.
We've got to warm Penny's toes up, so her toes are cold. Got a bit cold. Look how cute this is, really. Cold?
What?
Cold?
Yeah.
No, you're not.
My feet are cold.
Are they?
Yeah. Oh, my feet are.
Look, we've got our toes out. So we've just had a coffee. Oh, it's snowing, Dagon. She said that. She's a snow creature. Can you walk around here? So cute. Mrs. Claus's house. Look how cute this is, ready? No, let's not do it again, Ollie. This is the reindeer tour in Santa Claus Village, which if we are going to do this, we won't do it here. We're now coming over to the Husky Park.
Husky Park!
I'll show you. Oh no, it's tracking me, hold on. Darcy's vlogging for her TikTok. This is an example of some of the prices. So this is not obviously a Husky ride or anything. Oh shock, Darcy's on the floor again. Oh. Huh?
What's in there?
That's it, you can, this is this, so you can either do meet and greet.
Meet the Huskies?
Yeah. It's sold out for today, so you have to do that tomorrow. Or you can just, you know like the pet thing, you can pay to just walk around. What would that be, like 30, 40, 60 euros again?
As soon as it updates, isn't it? What's the furthest place away?
The South Pole.
It's going to be like Tokyo or something.
It's the South Pole, mate. That's 17,000 kilometres away.
Tokyo 7,340.
Well, the South Pole's 17,000.
366.
South Pole?
Yeah.
Where's the South Pole?
There, top.
Oh, yeah.
It's got to be that, hasn't it?
New York's quite far. Nothing to be in the South Pole then.
You were right then, Darcy.
I'm always right.
We haven't decided what we're going to do. Oh, sorry. This is what the days have consisted of. The kids sledding down whatever slopes they can find. Right, Pen? You're okay? Alright. Okay, oh my. Don't get it up your sleeves though, Penny, because it'll get you wet. Yeah, we haven't decided what we're doing. We don't know if we're going to go to like a husky and reindeer farm tomorrow. You don't want to leave? Yeah, so I found this one that you can go to. Yeah, I did. A husky and reindeer park, and you get a ride with both of them. So it's sold out for today. So we could maybe do that tomorrow.
How wrong could that be? Being snowed in somewhere, you and me. Let's go get snowed in.
We're going on a wander. No idea where we're going. Whoa, I just nearly fell. Oh, there's so much snow. I think like when you're in the main village, and we were doing this, so when we would watch on the camera, it looks as though there's hardly any snow because obviously they're ploughing it out of the way, but there is a lot of snow here. And we were actually panicking, weren't we? Like even Darcy was saying like, oh, there's not going to be much snow, but there's a lot of snow. Like a lot of snow.
Oh my gosh, look.
Yeah, see this, because that bit's not compacted down. The bits here on the road are compacted down. Look, Santa's Igloos Arctic Circle. This is cool. So these are all the like igloo accommodation. Cute. So I think this is where people saw the Northern Lights. I had real trouble getting a taxi. So if you are going to come here, what I would say is use the app Bolt. It's a lot cheap. Yeah, but hiring a car was expensive when we came. Obviously, if it's like a reasonable time, then yes, hire a car. But Bolt is a lot cheaper than Uber. And it's really easy. So that's how we've been getting to and from places. Huh?
Something around our oaks.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that's about it really. That's about it for day 2. We're just having a little wander because we didn't come to any of this bit yesterday. We completely missed this bit. What? Tom's gone over to toast some marshmallows.
Mum, look, I can do a wheelie.
Oh yeah.
I can go stop here.
We got loads in the bag.
Should have done more?
A little bit, yeah. Crispy.
What, Daddy? You've got all the food.
Do you want me to take a couple out?
I know, but you look like such a mad army.
I might do one.
A bit hot.
Hey.
Burn your hand.
I got gloves on. I got gloves on.
She's got gloves on, Dad.
I got gloves on, Dad.
Oh, thank you for making this for me.
Oh, you're so cute.
Back at the house now, and look, I thought I would film now because it's quite a lot of daylight. How much snow there is. Gosh, you're going to smash into a tree. Okay, so we're back at the house now. The kids are about to play a prank on Tom. Are you ready for this?
This bag's really heavy.
So they've packed a suitcase. Let's wait for Daddy to come out. We'll just ask him if he thinks it'll go over 20 kilos.
Mum, in his bag he had like the measuring thing. So heavy. What's in the bag?
Tom,
I can't lift my
Darcy's
bag.
packed her suitcase.
But it's heavier than it was before.
And it's quite heavy, so she doesn't know if it's
Wait, where are the
going to go
stones?
over.
Dad, where's your bag?
Don't know, lift it up and tell me if you think it's heavy.
It's heavier than Mum's saying that it's not.
I reckon it's heavy.
No, it's not even that heavy. Dad, it's
Feel
not
it?
even that heavy, is it?
Yeah, it might be a bit over.
The suitcase here.
Yeah, let's go put it in the bin.
Let's have a look what's in there, shall we?
Dad,
Dad, are you ready for this?
Yeah.
Let me get inside of that now.
It's a Penelope!
Let me get inside of that.
Did you prank Daddy?
Mum, zip me up.
We've booked a tour to go and hopefully see the Northern Lights. We got it half price. I don't know if it's because people have cancelled or whatever, but the it's been a bit chaotic here the last couple of days because they had that huge storm. It's affected so many of the flights, and we were just reading on Facebook, and quite a lot of the people that were, hang on Ollie, a lot of the people that were due to fly out today.
It's me.
It is Penny. Yeah, a lot of the people that were due to fly home today have been stranded at the airport, and they've been queuing outside, and flights have been delayed coming in. Obviously, we're due to fly home tomorrow night, so I'm expecting there to be some sort of delay. So yeah, I don't know if that's the reason why, but this tour I'd had a look at before we came out, and it was like meant to be I think like £170 a person. So when you add that up, you're talking that's like £800 for us 5, and it's gone down to £73 each. And I think the kids were even cheaper. How much did it just come to? 240. So for 5 of us, £240. And if you don't see the Northern Lights, then you don't pay. They get like I think you just cover a small fee to cover fuel. So yeah, we're doing that at 7:30. So what we're doing, we've just cooked some food because we did like the Lidl shop. So we're just trying to clear some of the food and eat it before
4, 5, 6, 7.
Before we have to check out. So just cooked pizza, and then we have to actually meet for the tour down in Rimini Centre, like wherever their collection is. So we figured we'd go back to McDonald's again, and the kids, when we said to them, Penny was so excited. She's like, yeah, my favourite place. So my sister and her partner have gone out for a meal. They went out to this really nice place yesterday, which is just not something
My mum's
that...
the best cook in the world.
Am I? Thank you.
Come in.
Yeah, as much as I would like to do that, it's just not, like, the kids wouldn't enjoy it. They would much prefer to just go to McDonald's. So it's just like keeping it easier. So they've gone out, so we're just at home. So I've done a little bit of packing. Just like put all the dirty stuff together so I can get that in a case as soon as we get home. All the ski stuff, obviously we have to wear it all day tomorrow. So I'm not packing any of that. There was just extra bits. So there was like a whole ski suit that I bought Penny off of Vinted, which she's not even worn because, to be honest, she's just been in that new H&M one. So the one I got off Vinted was this with the trousers. So I'm just going to put it back on Vinted because she didn't ever wear it. I think the snowsuit's just been perfect for her. So, yeah, I'm just going to keep pottering around. Obviously leave the pyjamas out, and then once we wake up in the morning, they can all just go in the case. And I'm probably just going to leave out, I may as well just pack my jumper, I guess. Does it work on video or not? It definitely doesn't. So we've got Larry in the background. Oh my god, you can actually see it there. Yeah. Oh wow, oh my god.